Hello, this is a short tutorial to give a glimpse into how I paint a landscape with clouds. Here we go. Using thinned burnt umber with solvent, I loosely draw in the tree line and outline the cloud shapes. I add directional lines in the foreground as a guide for the direction that I will move my brush and palette knife. Using a mix of ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, and titanium white, I use a brush to paint in my sky, remembering to stay loose and not be too particular. I want this painting to have movement and feel spontaneous. Just to get some color down on the canvas for the poppies, I used an orange color 2 shades darker than I want, and varied shades of green for the grass, as I will be adding a brighter red-orange on top with thicker paint. The underpainting will peek through to create depth. For the shadow side of the clouds, I use a mix of ultramarine blue, burnt umber, titanium white, and a bit of the green mix from earlier, to add color harmony to the overall painting. Now for the fun part. I start with a mix of cadmium red light and cadmium orange, keeping my marks horizontal and adding little marks to show little clusters of poppies. As I get towards the tree line, my mix will brighten and get warmer as it will be in full sun near the horizon. This is the same mix I used before for the clouds, but with more paint and a lot more white added in. I add movement to the clouds by making sweeping motions with my knife. This is pure white that I'm using now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye for now, and happy painting.